Imagine you are running a massive factory. You have strict deadlines, limited raw materials, and an absolute maximum budget. How do you find the exact mathematical point where your production is perfect and your costs are as low as physically possible? You don't guess, you use linear programming. Welcome back to Phymics. Today we are looking at one of the most powerful optimization tools ever created, the Isocost method. Let's dive into the math. Before we solve anything, you need to know why this exists. Back in the 1940s, during the Second World War, mathematicians like George Danzig had to figure out how to optimize incredibly complex military logistics. They needed a foolproof way to make the best decisions when resources were heavily restricted. And that need has not changed. Today, whether airlines are scheduling flights, delivery companies are routing packages, or factories are mixing chemical formulas, they all use this exact math to minimize their cost and to maximize their profits. So how does it actually work? Let's say we are mixing two chemicals, X and Y. We have to follow two strict rules or constraints. First, the total volume of X and Y must be at least 8 liters. Secondly, based on our chemical formula, 1 part of X plus 2 parts of Y must be at least 10 liters. Because both rules are greater than or equal to, our answer has to live somewhere in the space above these lines. This blue area is our feasible region. Every single point inside the blue zone obeys our rules. But we don't just want any valid answer. We want the cheapest one. To find it, we need to check the boundaries, specifically these three corner vertices. Enter the isocost line. This is our objective. Let's say chemical X cost Rs 15 and chemical Y cost Rs 20. We want to minimize our total cost, which is given by our objective function denoted by letter Z. We start by picking a random high cost, let's say Rs 190, and we draw a line to represent it. Every combination of X and Y on this yellow line cost exactly $190. But we can go cheaper. Because we want to minimize the cost, we take this line and slide it perfectly straight towards 0. Watch the cost drop 180, 160, 150 and so on. But you need to stop. The golden rule of the Isocost method is that you stop at the absolute last point of contact before the line slips off the feasible region entirely. If we slide any further, we might get a lower cost, but it becomes an impossible reality that breaks our rules. Our line perfectly lands on the coordinates x equals 6 and y equals 2. Plug that into our cost formula and we get our absolute minimum cost, exactly Rs 130. So this was it for the video. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.